Good morning. Uh, Today we'll see what is Arduino Uno board in communication protocol and what is the software we are going to use in communication protocol lab. Let me. So introduction to Arduino environment. This is nothing but Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno board. I already told you Uno is nothing but here we are having different types of Arduino boards. Arduino Uno board is nothing but it is having only one USB connector. Next Arduino Duo board. It is having two USB connectors. Arduino Nano board. It is having it, nano boards. Okay, in this Arduino Uno board, we are having 14 digital pins. 14 digital pins. These are nothing but 0 to 13. 0 to 13. These are all 14 digital pins. In this 14 digital pins, we are having 6 PWM pins, 6 PWM output pins. What are those 6 PWM output pins are? Here it is negation symbol are there now. 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11. These are nothing but 6 PWM pins and 6 analog pins. And 0 is for receiving, and 1 is for transmitting. So pin 0 is receiving, pin 1 is transmitting. These are our power supplies, and analog pins is A0 to A5. These A0 to A5 are nothing but analog pins, and it contains one power jack. One power jack. We can also give voltage, 5 volts voltage. It consists of 5 volts voltage, one transmitting, and it is nothing but reset pin, reset pin, and it is here it is, it contains microcontroller Atmega 328 microcontroller. This is nothing but Atmega 328 microcontroller. Okay, this is about Arduino Uno board. And this is we are going to use software Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE. Here we'll we'll see how to write a program. In this, we are going to use two statements compulsory for every program: void setup and void loop. Void setup is used to initialize a begin statement, and void loop is used for to repeat a set of statements repeatedly, to repeat the number of statements. So void setup is used to initialize the begin statement. So we'll see. So setup, initialize or configuration code. Here in this setup, in this loop, in this block of code, we are going to begin, or we are going to initialize the begin statements, and here loop is used to repeat over and over again. Okay, over and over again. You all know about in C language we'll use loop statements: while, for, do while. So those three loops are used here. Okay, those three loops are those are three loops using for, while, and do while. But here we are going to use a loop. In this, we are going to again use while, for, or do while. So Arduino IDE functions. Okay, these are the some default functions in Arduino IDE. Default pin mode. Pin mode is nothing but whatever in this board where we are going to use the input for any. For example, if I are using this 11th pin or 12th pin, so for that we need to write pin number. Okay, particular pin number, comma, and that pin we are going to use how we are going, it is that pin is going to use for input or output purpose. Okay, pin mode, for example, pin mode, pin number 12, comma, if it is input, write down input. Okay, if it is input, write down input. If it is output, output. So digital write, you all know about what is the functions of what is meant by write function and read function. Write function is used to print or for displaying output. Okay, for displaying something, or for to print something, we are going to use write, and for reading, if we want to give some input, we are going to use a read function. Digital write, again, what is the default function? What is the syntax for digital write? Digital write, pin number high, comma, slash low. For example, if I want to use LED, okay, LED, how if it is, if I know if the LED is high, it is on. Glow, for glowing, it is I'm going to use high. For it is off, I'm going to use low. So pin number 12, comma high, or pin number low. Based upon our program, we are going to use the syntax of the digital write. Again, digital read pin number. So same analog read pin number, analog write pin number, comma value. Delay 1000 seconds. Here it takes 1000 means 1000 milliseconds, nothing but 1 second. The delay is going to be take 1 second. So these are the some predefined functions and their descriptions. Pin mode, pin comma input slash output to specify particular pin as input or output. Digital write pin comma value to write logic high or low, nothing but 1 or 0 value to the particular pin, to the particular pin. Digital read pin to read the value from a specified digital pin with the result enter either high or low. Analog read pin, and again read the value from the specified analog pin with a 10-bit resolution. Write pin, analog write pin comma value to write analog value to specified PWM pins. Delay milliseconds to produce some delay in milliseconds. Delay 1000, wait for 1 second. If it is taking 1000, it is nothing but 1 second. It takes as milliseconds. Delay 1000 milliseconds, it will take nothing but 1 second. Serial dot begin. Okay, serial dot begin. Here in serial communications, we are going to use serial dot begin and serial dot print ln data. Serial dot begin is nothing but to initialize the serial communication with specified baud rate. With specified baud rate. Usually the baud rate is 9600. In serial print ln data, to print data on a serial monitor, it prints the data on a serial monitor. After that, the cursor will move to the next line. That's why we are going to use print ln function there. Serial dot print ln data. Print ln is used for after the printing on serial monitor, the cursor will move to the next line. Serial dot read to read the data from serial port. Reading and writing, you all know. So serial available. Here it is the function serial available to check whether the data is available on serial buffer or not. To check whether the data is available on in serial buffer or not. Serial read byte until character buffer length to read data from serial port until it receives a specific character. Okay, until a specific character, whatever character we are going to give there, a specific character, till that time it is going to read the characters data to the serial port. So Arduino IDE, see pin mode. I don't know pin mode. Pin mode two is a pin number and it is going to use as output. So pin mode 3 comma input. Pin mode 4 comma input pull up. So these are the examples of Arduino IDE default functions. So Arduino IDE digital input and output. If it is digital read, analog read. So digital is nothing but we are going to use sensors and all right. Digital write, LEDs, and analog write. So digital outputs. For example, if we are going to use, I want to blink LED program. Blink LED program. Whenever it is high, it is used to blink. LED is going to be on. If it is low, LED is going to be off. High is nothing but 1, low is nothing but 0. See, for example, Arduino pin LED 1. Okay, LED 1 device LED 1 is good. Arduino pin is connected to 13th pin. Okay, 13th pin. That's why here pin mode 13 comma pin number comma output. We are going to see the output of LED. That's why we are writing here output. And in the loop digital write 13 pin number comma high. If it is high, the LED is going to glow. If it is low, LED is going to off. Okay. So this is the program. Int LED initialization. Int LED is equal to 13. Void setup. Pin mode LED comma output. So for example, if we are not going to give here initialization, we just write here pin mode 13 comma output. Okay, we'll write direct 13 comma pin number comma output. Digital loop, digital write LED is comma high, or else 13 comma high. Digital delay thousands, nothing but 1 second. Digital write LED comma low. Here 13 for or else or 13 comma low, delay is 1000. So here this is nothing but verify button. Verify button. This button is used to save. This is used for new document, new monitor, new window, and this is serial monitor. In this serial monitor only we are going to see the output or give some inputs in serial monitor. So verify button. This is tick mark is used to save the program. Save the program. This arrow is used for verifying, nothing but error checking, and it is used for save. So see, uploading to board by using a USB cable. It is connected to here USB port, programming port, laptop with Arduino IDE. So what are the advantages of Arduino IDE? It is open source. It is open source, easy to develop the applications with the availability to predefined functions, predefined functions. It supports, especially this, it supports editor, compiler, debugger, linker, and loader, etc. The tools in a single IDE, integrated development environment. Okay, these are the tools it contains in Arduino IDE. It supports many libraries like Wi-Fi, GSM, LCD for interfacing devices. Easy to add the board packages from board manager. Easy to add the board packages. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, thank you. See, this is Arduino Uno board. It is USB port, nothing but Uno. Only one USB port. It is not one USB port. That's why we are calling it as Uno, Arduino Uno board. If we are having in this board, it is there, for example, two USB ports, nothing but Geo board. Geo board. Okay, Geo board. It is microcontroller, and these are the pins, digital 0 to 14 pins. 6 pins are for PWM, and 6 pins are for analog pins, and this power jack. Here 0 is for receiving, and pin 1 is for transmitting. This is microcontroller, and A0 to A5 pins are analog pins, and these are the power supply. We'll see a simple program, simple experiment in the next video. Thank you.